Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your Hulu password, so let's get right into it. Hulu is a subscription-based streaming service similar to Netflix on which you can watch shows, movies, series, whatever you would like. It is currently only available in the US due to licensing issues. However, you can watch it from anywhere around the globe with the use of a VPN. Now, how you reset your Hulu password, it is similar to editing your account in any way, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, what you want to do is go to Hulu on your computer browser or mobile browser. However, it is pretty much the same. It is very similar as well for the mobile application and on TV, so this tutorial should help you. But yeah, once you're at the site, you want to log into your profile. Once you click log in, you can then select forgot your email or password before you log in. I think you can also go to your account center online and go and change the password there. Might not be able to, I'm not sure. However, you can just select forgot your email or password once logging in. Then you will have the option to enter your email address and then get a reset link sent to you. Once you do that, go to your inbox on your email and you'll get an email from Hulu with a reset link. Once you click that link, you'll be prompted to create and confirm another password, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.